demonstrations anywhere, really, truly.
It is. Some fish just got the right on flight.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we want to tell you a little story here. Tell you all about it as our good friend Mark Foster, who's up here with the Lion Air Museum, representing the Willard D, the C-47 that you see right here in front of you. Mark, we've been talking all weekend about this. Your museum there at the Lion Air Museum, lovingly maintained.
By Martin Aviation right next door, and I do want to do a little shout out to Martin Aviation because it is their 100th anniversary this year. Those are 1830 cubic inch engines, so about 1,200 horsepower each that you're here along there. Congratulations.
You know, you hear these sounds, and it's
Larger than just yourself. You stand upon the memories of these stories, these brave men and women.